Welcome everyone. So today we are going to solve or rather understand a very interesting topic called as time, speed and distance. Okay, and today in this entire solving of this problem, we'll understand the concept of relative speed as well. So let's quickly see the question. The question is, a marathon was due to start at midday, but Mr. Tortoise was allowed to start at 7 a.m. as he can only walk, which he does at a constant speed of 3 miles per hour. At midday, Mr. Hare sets off running at a constant speed of 10.5 miles per hour. At what time does he overtake Mr. Tortoise? Now, please understand, when you have to solve something like this, that it is obviously you must have understood that this entire question is related towards speed, time, and distance. Okay, so the formula which always has to work for is speed is equals to distance upon time. Now let's first focus on Mr. Tortoise. Okay, let's see that in the gap, when he started like 7 o'clock in the morning, he started. Okay, so from 7 to 12 p.m. that means noon, right? Midday means 12. So in between, how many hours did he cover? So from 12, you will subtract 7. So here you got 5 hours. The time taken by Mr. Tortoise is 5 hours. Okay, and the speed given is what? 3 meters per hour, 3 miles per hour. So we can say that the distance covered by tortoise is basically 5. This is basically, see, distance can be written as also speed into time. And we know the speed over here is 3 into time, which is 5 hours. So this is 15 miles. He's covered 15 miles by noon or by midday. Okay. Now at midday, Mr. Hare also starts running. Okay. Now please understand, Mr. Hare runs at a constant speed of 10.5 miles. Okay. Now we will see that Mr. Tortoise is also running in the same direction and Mr. Hare is also running in the same direction. So please understand, here the concept of relative speed comes into picture. And relative speed is fairly easy to remember or to understand. Whenever the two objects are running in the same direction, okay, at that time the speeds get subtracted. Okay, means the speed of the second object, okay, will get subtracted from the speed of the first object. Okay, and in case they are running in opposite direction from each other, then in that case what happens is the speed gets added. The speed of the second object gets added. Okay, so I hope this is very clear to everyone. So now since we know this, we can say therefore the speed of Mr. Hare will be nothing but what? What is the speed? Actual speed is what? 10.5 minus the speed of tortoise, that is 3. So speed of Mr. Hare will be what? 7.5. Okay, now we need to understand at what time will he cover the distance which is covered by Mr. Tortoise, because once he covers that much distance, after that he will overtake, correct? So basically we need to see at what time. So from here also I can say that T equals to distance upon speed. Okay, so here we can say that time taken by Mr. Hare is equal to distance, which is what? 15 miles upon speed. Now at this time you will have to take care of relative speed. Okay, so that is 7.5. So here when you do the division, we can say that time taken by Mr. Hare will be 2 hours. So now they are saying at what time. So please understand, we can say that Mr. Hare will overtake at, see, he started at what? He started at 12, basically midday, right? And then you have to add how many hours? 2 hours. because he took 2 hours to cover this much distance which was already covered by Mr. Tortoise. So here we can say at 2 p.m. Okay, please understand, while writing also you need to remember whether it will be AM or PM. Okay, but now after midday, when you add 2 hours, it will become 2 p.m. So I hope this is very clear to everyone. That's it for today. I will see you in the next one.